Until my last breath, I will praise you, Lord, forever. Blessing my life, and you keep showing.
Everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in locally and overseas. Thank you for telling everyone else that is your friends and your family to tune into this session, this channel, and subscribing and commenting and sharing is most important. Thank you. This chapter of the program is entitled Nature. The things that we can see in nature: trees, we can feel the wind, we can breathe in and breathe out, we can inhale and exhale, we can do all things, a variety of things in nature. We can walk, we can explore all the things of nature. We do this for field trips and all of the above. We give ourselves the space and the observance to observe what is around us and the animals, the plants, everything. It's amazing what we don't know what the trees offer to us in many ways. They offer fruits, offer vegetables, everything that we know. Trees offer wind, air, everything in nature. Nature is important to us. So if we destroy the trees, we won't get any air to exhale and inhale, exhale and inhale from. We will also be damaging our health in many ways. If we cut down the trees, it's harmful to nature, and it's harmful to us as well, because we are inhaling what we are cutting down the trees. It will also cause soil erosion. So this is a very interesting video, so just watch and you will hear all the pointers that is given in this video. So I'm going to pray right now to take us on. Almighty God, I come before you right now. Almighty God, I praise the program in your hand, mighty God. Give me strength, glorify and honor you, mighty God. Continue to give me strength, mighty God, to do your work on your good, mighty God. Let the people that is watching, mighty God, continue to watch, continue to tune in, continue to like, and continue to share. Mighty God, may their hearts be changed and be touched by it, mighty God. In the name I pray, amen. If you have reached thus far in the video, please like, subscribe, and share, and comment on the video. Thank you. Goodbye.